In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to envelopes in DocuSign. Whether you're collaborating on a project or delegating tasks, sharing access can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive right into the process. First, open up your web browser and head over to the DocuSign homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can follow along seamlessly with the settings we are going to adjust. Once you're on the homepage, look for your profile located typically at the top right corner of the screen. This will often be represented either by your initials or your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it, which will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, locate the option labeled My Preferences. This is where you'll find many of the customizable features that DocuSign offers, allowing you to tailor the platform to best suit your needs. Click on My Preferences and you'll be taken to a new page. On this new page, look for the Shared Access tab. This is where you can manage who has access to your documents. Click on Shared Access to open up the Sharing Settings page. Once there, you'll notice two crucial sections, Shared with Others and Shared with Me. These sections are designed to help you track your sharing history, both what you've shared and what has been shared with you. To share access with others, we need to focus on the Shared with Others section. Click on it, and this will bring you to the settings area we'll work with. Notice the Share Access with Others link. Clicking on this will launch the window where you can manage permissions. Now, you have to select the permissions you wish to grant. DocuSign allows you to choose from a variety of permissions ranging from viewing only to full editing rights. It's essential to carefully select these settings according to what you intend. After setting permissions, navigate to the Start Date option. This allows you to schedule when access rights begin. It's a handy feature if you're planning ahead or working on a project timeline. Set your start date and then proceed to the end date option to specify when the access should expire. This ensures that your documentation remains secure when collaboration or delegation is no longer necessary. Lastly, look for the option to choose a name from your contacts who you wish to provide access to, and then click on Add. This step finalizes the process by granting them access based on the parameters you've just set. Once complete, you've effectively shared access to your envelopes without compromising control over your documents. And there you have it. Clear, accessible steps to share access to your DocuSign envelopes. Follow these guidelines and you'll be well equipped to manage document sharing efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other guides for more tips on using DocuSign and other productivity tools.